Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if app is not installed on mobile data. So let's start it. I click on install and you can see app is not installed. So I click cancel. So how to fix this issue? Now you click top right icon in the top right side icon image. Now click settings, click network preferences and app download preferences. Now you select over any network and press OK. After that you install any app on data, and after that your problem will be solved and app is installing on your mobile data. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.